I'm going to ask Pastor Nat to perform one more function for tonight before he goes to his seat. We're going to shout, and it's going to be a very prophetic shout. And when you hear the blast of the trumpet, you are shouting, and that shout means everything that was dead, that it must hear the word of the Lord here in Manchester, here in the United Kingdom. Hallelujah. Now listen very carefully. This also includes those who are following from across the globe. There will be a shout in this place, for the Bible declares that the shout of the King shall not depart, is in the midst of them, and that the shouts of joy and victory shall not depart from the tent of the righteous. Are you ready?